to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would take you along and show you how to clean laminate flooring. In this video, you will need vinegar and some natural cleaning dishwashing liquid. This is going to help take up the grime off the flooring, and the vinegar will help shine. I'm also going to be using a smart mop for this tutorial. However, you can use a mop and bucket if that's all you have on hand. The idea of the smart mop is you just put it in the canister and mop as you go, and it makes it a complete time efficient fast way of mopping your floors. But if you do have a bit more time on your hand, then definitely use what you have. With all that said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So my easy mop already has a bit of water, but I'm going to add a dash of vinegar and a tiny little drop of detergent. This is going to take up any grime from the floor, but it's not going to allow it to get too sudsy. So the vinegar is going to act as a disinfectant whilst shining the floors, and the dishwashing liquid is going to strip any grime and dirt and just allow the mop to pick it up. So this is a great combination. I do recommend using an eco-friendly dish liquid just so you can keep it all natural, and vinegar is one of the best things to clean with, so you cannot go wrong with that. So I don't think you can see how dirty these floors are, but in person they're really filthy. I don't think it's quite picking it up on camera because of the glare, but we're going to buff them up, shine them up, and disinfect them. So before I get into mopping the laminate floors, I'm going to quickly give the floors a vacuum just to make sure all the dirt and loose particles are all picked up before we go ahead and buff them out. Now that the floors are all vacuumed, I'm gonna go ahead and mop with our solution. If you are using a mop and bucket, I do recommend keeping the mop more on the dry side than the wet side. This will create the shine and bring out the grain in the wood. So shiny now, it makes the world of a difference. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button because we have so many more how to clean naturally tutorials on my channel. I will link the playlist above so you can check that one out, and have a great one. Bye guys.